Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to discuss about some coding question which are asked in the JS interview or the front end developer interview. And the question is particularly related to the JavaScript. In previous video, I have shown you the how to reverse a string without built-in methods. In this particular video, I will show you some other coding question which I got, and I will definitely guarantee you like a 10 out of the 8 to 9 interviewer asked this coding question for the JavaScript basically. So let's get started with that particular things. Okay. So I will create one file here again. Okay. And let's see. So first question, mostly people ask find the greatest number in the array, or yeah, largest number in the array. So for that purpose, what we need one array. Okay, so we basically need a numbers. Okay, numbers. Let put some number which are like, okay. So this is the array, and what we have to do, we have to find the largest number in that particular array. For that purpose, what we need one function, right? Yeah. So basically, what get I okay. I guess we don't need to pass any params here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to find one, like not one, we have to find largest number into the particular array. So for that purpose, what we are doing, we are returning one function. Inside function, what we need again, one variable where we are assigning a default value for that particular array, like largest value. So I will just simply put a variable name large. Okay. What I am assigning that numbers 0. What it mean, it will basically mean that the index value of zeroth like the zeroth value of that particular array is the greatest number. Okay, so that's why I put that large. Then we need one for loop. Basically inside that for loop we will discuss about the like exact coding. Let I equals to numbers dot length. No, not I. Basically simply I initially is 0, then I is greater than, yeah, I is less than or equals to numbers dot length minus 1. And we have to, what we do, we did plus plus. Plus plus means incremental operator, right? Then what we need again here, here we need one if loop. Because of that we have some condition. Let's check either large is small than numbers of I, oh sorry, number of I, then just, then large equals to numbers I. So I will explain you the meaning of these two lines. Okay. So basically under if, what we are checking that either this or not. Okay. So here we are checking what initially what we did, we assign basically index value 0 as a greater like largest number in that particular array. Okay. So here what we are doing, if our that index value 0 is greater than what this particular index value numbers of I, then we are just assigning this value to the large, so it will like change the value that, right? Then here just return over large, and inside outside that just call the function, we will just call that function find largest num. Okay. And what we are doing, we are just calling that particular array. Okay. Let's see. We get output as a triple eight. That is the largest number in our array. Okay. So always remember, this way you can put this and try to explain this particular function when we are like returning that particular function. Okay. Then next question, I will just comment this question like solution. Okay. Now the second question is what? Find a palindrome in a particular array. Like we have array and we need to find the palindrome string from that particular array. So you guys know that palindrome means the character, the name or the whatever string we have. If we read that in the like in a sequence manner or if we did that in a reverse, then still it showing us the like same output in both way. It will same like ma'am. Look what we did. If we reverse that, still it's ma'am, right? So this way, this is called a palindrome, and we have to check that using JavaScript. So firstly, we need one array, const names, okay. Then we need some string. Look, this Nitin is a array. Then I will put this Rohit. Then I will put one again. Okay. So these are the string. What we need to do, we have to like return one function like is palindromes. For that we took a pal string 1 as a variable, and let's see what I have to do. Return string 1 equal to str1 dot. So basically simply with that we are just checking that after reversing it's triple equals to, not a single equals to, because with triple equals to we are checking the type as well as the value. Okay. Then outside this we need one variable out equals to like name. So sorry, we have names dot filter. What we are doing, we are just passing that function to the filter, and here yeah str1. Okay. And just console.log out and just try to run this particular variable like code. Now we get some error, right? C1 is not defined. Where? Oh sorry, we don't need to pass that, right? Yeah, we just have to call that particular variable. I just forget to like still. Oh sorry, we will see that where we get some error. Splice. Oh sorry, instead of slice we have to like slice. Some error is there. Let me check. Yeah, guys, it's not a slice, it's a split. We have to split a string here. Okay, split. And then we just need to pass this particular function inside the like filter of array. And if we check that, we will get output as a like our. Oh shit, still it's showing some error. What happened? String dot split dot reverse is not a function. Something is missing, I guess. Let me check, guys. Yeah, guys, actually, the spelling mistake is there, typo error is there. The spelling of reverse is not a proper. So, because of that, it's showing not a function. Let me check again with this particular solution. Like now, the typo error. Yeah, look, if we reverse this Nitin and this Malayalam, it will show the both way the same. So that's why it's a palindrome. So basically, these two questions we see in this particular video is what? Find the largest number in the array, and again the find the palindrome from the array. Okay, single palindrome is also we need to find, but and in that case we just in previous video I show the like reverse string. We can just simply simple string is there, we just need to check that reverse it and compare that triple equals to sign. But here is a different case. So if you like the video, just subscribe the channel and forward the video as much as. Thank you, guys.